Welcome back to the state symbol series. In this video, I am going to give you the information about Maharashtra state symbols, like what is Maharashtra state animal, state bird, tree and flower. I already told you this is a very important topic for the state exams as well as UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, which conducts various exams in the all India level. So listen to the video carefully till the end and make a note of it. Without getting late, we will start today's video. The Maharashtra state animal is Indian giant squirrel and the state bird is yellow-footed green pigeon and the state flower is pride of India. In the local language it is called as jarul, and Maharashtra state tree is mango tree. And we all of us know the Maharashtra state capital is Mumbai. If you find this video informative, press that like button and also watch all the videos of the state symbol series.